Hey YouTube, Chris Battle here back again, and I ordered the ROG Ally X premium hard case from Best Buy, so we're going to be unboxing that today, just seeing how everything fits. Got the handy unboxing knife. Yeah, box is a little beat up, but looks good. Let's see. If you'll remember in maybe my last video? No, my original video, head to head with the ROG Ally X versus Steam Deck OLED, I had mentioned there's no case that comes with the Ally X in the box, which is frustrating and a missed opportunity. But as you can see here, water repellent, integrated stand. Now this is probably what I'm most skeptical about when they say integrated stand. We'll see how that's supposed to stand, but seems a bit iffy. We'll see. I'm mostly worried about cooling when you're standing it. What are the effects on that? So we'll see. But see if we can get a good shot of that. I'm also not a fan of this aggressive font on the actual part where you're zipping it. It's a little odd to me, but this is also huge. Fun goodies to eat here? No, just kidding. Do not eat this. Warranty information. And yeah, it's got these hard physical inserts you can pull out, which is interesting. And then not interesting. Yeah, this is interesting. So let's see here. Now I'm thinking this back compartment here is for the charger. I have the 65 watt one that's included here. I'm sure this won't fit my 100 watt ROG Asus charger, just because it's more like a laptop charger and the brick is huge. But I'm imagining, maybe if I actually, let me try and wrap this up better. See if we can't stick that on the bottom, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I just did some quick stuff. I don't actually know how they want you to do that. Let's just do that. I don't know. Seems a bit odd to me, but and then I'm just, let's see here. I don't really understand how this is supposed to sit. Yeah. Hold on, let me see something real quick. Let's see. Let's see if that actually works. I mean, this thing closes. It's got the little carrying handle here. I don't know. It's nothing on the back here. A lot of people have a problem with the fact of how wide and just tall it is and just kind of huge, but it feels sturdy and you can fit the charger in there nicely. Now, the Steam Deck has a charging case. Let me see if I can go find that. Give me 1 second. So here's the Steam Deck charging case, and it has this little back part where you can also put the charger in this little bag. But I don't know, you can't really set it down. Like right here, yeah, I can set that down straight up and down. But if I put this little charger in the back, I mean, it's just awkward. It's gonna kind of rock, and it's just a little bit weird. Now they do have an interior case as well on the inside to make it smaller, but this is huge. And I don't know, I don't mind. I feel like I can put this anywhere and feel comfortable that nothing's really getting messed up here. So, and I bet you I can put some other peripherals maybe too. I'll probably put that back in its like official case, the yellow one, which I have around here somewhere. But I bet you I can sneak this in here somewhere underneath without too much fuss. You know what? I might be able to. I might be able to put it right here. Let's see. Hold on. Look at that. So I'm on the go with it, right? Now I'll have to use this for a couple days, see what I think of it. But so far, so good. Oh, you know what? Let me try the stand. I wonder if that's what all those extra straps are for. Let's see. Should probably turn it this way, right? Let's see about this. Let's see about this folding stand piece. That part's kind of weird to me. One, I don't understand why you would attempt to do it, but let's see here. There's also nowhere where it like straight up seems to show you how that works. Like you just have this image on the back, and I guess you're supposed to go on that. I don't know, man. I'm not even going to begin to try to figure that out, to be quite frank with you. And I don't imagine myself ever putting it like that. I mean, it comes with these two little flimsy pieces of cardboard if you want to stand it somewhere. But I generally am not standing it up too often. Like, if I was going to stand it up, I'd just connect it to my television at a certain point, or to a monitor where it just would be unnecessary. But yeah, that's the case. Let me know if you want to see something else, but appreciate you tuning in.